Imagine stepping into your bedroom and being greeted by not just any mirror, but a grand Hollywood vanity mirror, equipped with lights that make you feel like a star every day. Today, I'm excited to dive into the details of the GVNKVN Vanity Mirror, a true game-changer in the world of beauty and daily routines. This mirror isn't just a mirror, it's a statement piece that combines elegance, functionality, and technology in a way that elevates your makeup game to Hollywood levels. Firstly, the size of this mirror is simply breathtaking. At 32 by 24 inches, it offers a generous viewing area that allows you to see your entire face and upper body in crystal clear detail. This is not just advantageous for applying makeup, it's perfect for styling your hair, trying on accessories, or even getting a full view of your outfit. The accompanying mirror cleaning cloth ensures that this large, beautiful surface stays spotless and gleaming. Now, let's talk about the here. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.